Hello guys, Shivam here after so long. So today we are going to look into the AOSP extended ROM which is based on Android 10. So let's get into the video. So as per the usage, I had used this ROM for about 1 to 2 weeks, and being honest I have found each and everything working in this ROM smoothly and perfectly. So let's move towards settings. Moving towards settings in about phone. Scrolling down, as you can see that we are on the AOSP extended version, which is the latest stable 7.0 official version of AOSP extended, running on Android 10 with February 5 security patch. This is until now the stable version of AOSP extended, which is based on Android 10 build. Everything in this ROM works perfectly. You can edit the tiles as usual, you can add up your own tiles, and you can also have some other edits which I will show you later in the video. This is something which is newly added in this ROM, that you can select any type of accent color right from the tiles menu. There are almost 20 plus type of accent colors that you can keep, any of them of your choice. Moving in the settings, here you get something new that is called as Poco Extras. Here you can set your thermal profile as game, performance, browser, camera or PUBG. This is basically that the performance of your CPU and GPU will enhance on this phone whenever you set the desired theme, and accordingly your phone will perform when you play games or you do any type of heavy work. Yes, gestures of Android 10 works fine in this ROM. You can have 2 button navigation, 3 button nav bar and also fully gesture, which is none other than Android 10 feature. Moving back towards the setting and display, you will get all that generic display options such as color, screensaver, wallpaper, screen timeout and many more. You can schedule a night light the way you want. You can set your wallpapers. AX has its own wallpaper as you used to see in the previous build itself. So you can set any one of them. You can adjust color between boosted, dynamic and natural one. Lock screen display information. You can also switch between the display cutout. You can switch between font size, smallest weight, and here comes the dark mode also. Personally, I like dark mode, so I will keep it as usual. So you can also select the accent color from here also, and the font type of your choice. These are just general settings which you find in most of the ROMs which have customizations. So nothing much new in this. Talking about the AOSP extended extensions, here comes various type of extensions when you can customize each and every part of your ROM, like status bar icons, clock settings where you can set the type of clock, the format of clock you want, battery bar where you can select if you hide or unhide battery, traffic indicators, carrier label and other miscellaneous extensions. You can have AX logo in this and many such small extensions in this. Moving toward QS panel, you can have quick settings too. You can completely edit the way you want. You can keep animation style the way you want. Brightness slider on the top or bottom of your tile, you can adjust that also. Moving toward notifications, you can customize your notifications too. Navigation bar option doesn't work in extensions. I don't know why, but it's broken here. Going towards lock screen UI, then you can customize a lock screen UI by showing charging information, fingerprint authentication vibration, music visualizer when you play music, And that's it in lock screen UI. Lock screen shortcuts such as what type of lock screen shortcut like phone, camera you want to keep. Moving towards system, you will get general tweaks like toast icon. Button here you will get power menu, music control, reorientation and other options which you wanna set. Here you can set advanced reboot, screenshot and all other options you wanna include in power button. So here comes the gaming mode. Yes, you can also have gaming mode in this ROM by setting up all the custom settings the way you want and putting up the applications which you want to run once the gaming mode is activated. So let's talk about the most important aspect, that is the battery life. Talking about battery life, then I got about 8 to 9 hours of screen on time on average usage, including 1 to 2 gameplays of PUBG, which is pretty impressive. But yes, it can't beat the MIUI 11 which I flashed before. But since it's a custom ROM, it's pretty good. Talking about root, then yes, you can root this ROM via Magisk Manager, and also it can pass the safety net check. As you can see, I can use the payment apps like Google Pay, Phone Pay and Paytm also. There's no issue found in using such apps once you flash matches and pass safety net check. So let's move towards the camera, then you will get a normal stock camera in this ROM, which is obviously boring and does not have lot of options. But yes, you can flash the latest Gcam 7.3 which was just recently released, which has 4K recording on 60 fps and all other options you just needed to take some aesthetic and dynamic photos. So if you want separate video on how to install this camera, please comment down below. I will surely make one. So moving towards the numbers, then here comes the Antutu benchmark, where the score is about 248,000, ranking highest in the GPU and after that the CPU won. Because of gaming mode and other enhancement in GPU such as Mi Extras, I guess the GPU performance is pretty high in this ROM. So talking about the feature of an ambient display, personally I had used many custom ROMs, but the type of ambient display I get in this ROM is just to the next level. As you can see, when you just pick up your phone, you will get to see the notifications and all other things going on in your phone, just like you get in Pixel phones, smoothly and without any issues. So this is the thing I like the most, that ambient display works pretty smooth and perfectly whenever you see at your phone. So that's it for the video guys. If you like this video, must consider to hit that subscribe button and also put a thumbs up on this video. To get more such content upcoming, many more stuffs are on the way. So subscribe and see you guys in the next one. Peace.